Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to copy paste data from one workbook to another using VBA macro. Let me go to my Excel file to show you some example. So for example, this is your Excel file with main workbook sheet 1 and you want to copy the highlighted region to your some destination workbook. Here I already prepared one destination workbook which is completely blank. Only one sheet is present with name sheet 1. So let me go to my macro to automate this task. I will start by declaring some variable. So name main workbook as workbook. Similarly, destination as workbook. Okay, I will set this because this is an object. So main workbook to and then name of this workbook main dot xls xlsm because this is a enable file. Similarly, I need to set for destination workbook, but destination workbook is not open, so I need to give the name destination. Okay, and this should be opened first. So, and the file is present at this location, so I will give the full directory. Okay, okay. So I will also close this and save changes equal to true. Okay, let me run the macro to see if it's working or not. Okay, so it's saying we can't find this file. So it's a destination of shape. So name should be small. So let me see. It's again saying it can't find it. Workbook.open the YouTube destination names. Okay, and should be X. So it's a simple sorry. It's a simple Excel file, so it should be with the extension xlx.x. So let me debug the macro again. So it's not working. Okay. Similarly, so I need to copy the data. So I will start with main sheet, sheet name, range, copy from A1 to F17. Okay, and then copy. Okay, so and then destination will be DWK, name of the workbook, and then similarly the name of the sheet, same sheet, and dot range A1. Okay, dot paste special. I want to paste special as value, so I want to give paste, and the argument is the Excel paste values. Okay. I run the macro again. One thing also I need to specify after the copy pasting application dot cut copy argument source. Run the macro again. Open the workbook. Saying sheet dot range A1. Okay. So it's in main workbook dot sheets. Okay, so name should be sheet 1. Okay, and then okay, and then close it. So you see the destination if some happens or not. Okay, you see it works here. Something to note here: if you want to copy paste your data in the in the next available row. So I need to change one thing in the macro. The destination range should be changed here, for which I need to first find the last available row in the destination field. For that, I will also go to last row as here, and then specify. I will find the last row of destination workbook. So it goes as as the so I say last row equal to Dwk workbook name, and then sheet name was sheet dot cells. So I want to go to rows dot count one dot and xlf dot row. That's one. Okay. So, so let me cross check one thing. Okay. So okay, and here at the last row I want to specify, for pasting I need to specify the last row. So let me run the macro again. Let's do this. So seeing that some have issue. Okay, dot and xlf dot row. Okay, sheets. Okay, sheet one dot cell rows dot count. So it should be cells. So if the last row is 17, so I need to add. So I will rerun the macro. I will close this. So give us the last row 18 and is at last available row. Okay. In this way, if you want to copy paste data from one workbook to another, and you want to know in which last row is available, you want to paste at the last available row, so you need to specify first, find the last row in the destination workbook, and then paste it here, the at the range A, and then specify the last row here. Okay,